When I was a young teenager, I had horrible skin. I was at boarding school in England, and they believed that this skin condition, which today we would call acne, was a consequence of inadequate cleaning. So they gave the girls with acne scrubbing brushes and ivory soap. And believe me, I hated my skin. So I brushed and I brushed and I tried and I tried. And the more I tried, the less successful I was. My skin dried, it cracked, it was uncomfortable and tight. Then one day I was walking through central London in a department store called Selfridges, and a lovely lady in a white coat came up to me and wanted to know if she could evaluate my skin. She told me I needed 3 liquids to use, one after the other: a cleanser, a toner, and a moisturizer. And I would use them in that order. So I went home and I did exactly what she said. And I would say it took about 5, maybe 6 days for that skin condition to miraculously vanish, to completely disappear. And that is the benefit of using an effective program. Now, years later in dentistry, I would hear people being told to brush more, to floss more. And I decided to look at the science to evaluate if these really are the best ways to take care of teeth. And I found that there's absolutely no science to support flossing better than brushing. And brushing is certainly not the most effective way to deal with dental disease. So if you're struggling there with brushing and flossing, try my complete mouth care system. This is the middle step. This is the step where you rinse the toothpaste off your teeth with Listerine. Now, I only recommend 2 kinds of Listerine: the Cool Mint and the original. None of the other new and improved, heavily marketed, whitening, restoring, natural, none of those. Stay with the original 2 formulas. Believe me, these are the ones that are going to work the best. And this is the step like toner in the 3-part skincare program. You wouldn't use a toner alone. You would not use Listerine by itself. Don't hear the word and go out there and say, I recommend Listerine. It is a very important part of the complete mouth care system, but it is a middle part. And you rinse simply until it starts to burn and then spit out. People with less healthy mouths will not be able to rinse for so long. So gradually you will find you're able to tolerate this rinse for longer.